Introducing the new DeWalt Job Site Table Saw. Featuring a lightweight and compact design, the saw is designed to be easily transported. The saw has a rip capacity of 32.5 inches to the right side of the blade, provided by a patented rack and pinion telescoping rail system, which allows you to cut larger material compared to previous DeWalt table saws without sacrificing portability. The design also provides convenient onboard storage for accessories, making them easily accessible. The modular guard design makes installation of the guarding components quick and easy. DeWalt has also designed a new roll cage frame to withstand tough job site conditions, which demand DeWalt durability. The DeWalt DWE7491RS provides workshop capacity and job site power to meet the user's needs.
I was blown away with the fuel table saw. It was excellent.
The new fuel table saw is great. When I first started using it, I was surprised it wasn't corded. I couldn't believe it was battery operated.
A lot of power. We could cut dimensional lumber, sheet goods. Excellent power. I like the rack and pinion fence. The capacity of the fuel table saw is excellent. It's still compact, but you can still use it in daily activities.
The fence is great. The rip fence is true. I like the dial-in adjustment on there on the fence for calculating your cuts.
The new 12.0 battery would definitely last a whole day of work.
We were able to rip dimensional goods, and we had plenty of run time throughout the day.
The new fuel table saw is definitely a job site tool to have. The mobility, the long-lasting battery, it's all there in one package.
Using the fuel table saw, I don't see a reason to even carry our corded table saw in the trailer anymore. This will meet all of our expectations in daily use.
For generations, the SkillSaw Worm Drive has been the job site standard because of its unsurpassed torque and ripping power. Our reputation was built on it. Now we've harnessed this power to be the heart of our new 10-inch Worm Drive table saw. And that's how a new legend is born. This is the world's first Worm Drive table saw. Rip full sheets of plywood in half with a generous 25-inch rip capacity. Slice through 4x with a 3.5-inch depth of cut. Add to that the best-in-class dual-field motor with a smooth start to make this saw run cooler and last longer. We put all of this into a compact table saw frame that goes wherever you go. Plus, this saw comes with our Stay True guarantee. Try it for 180 days. If you're not satisfied, you'll get your money back. No questions asked. This is the next evolution in ripping. When the work stacks up, let it rip. True to the trade since 1924. Stay true. Learn more at skillsaw.com.
Quick cuts, always sloppy. Detailed cuts, too hard to set up. Ordinary table saws, big costs and zero portability. Here's a better idea, a workshop that's portable. It's the all-new Rockwell Blade Runner X2, the go-anywhere, cut-anything compact table saw. It's lighter weight than the original Blade Runner, but has more cutting capacity for wood, metal, plastic, and even tile. With blades on board and blade changes in less than 3 seconds, Blade Runner X2 will slice your work time, delivering professional results lightning fast. Plus, you can control the cut with 2 hands for amazing accuracy and connect a vacuum for mess-free cuts. The all-new Blade Runner X2. Anytime, any place. We came, we sawed, we conquered. The affordable workshop for everyone and everywhere. Get your Blade Runner X2 today.
At Powermatic, we work to develop products that embody the time-honored traditions of the world's best woodworkers. The new Powermatic PM1000 table saw is our latest example of a product evolution that allows woodworkers to get the most out of their tools and their shops. The PM1000 takes legendary performance and design principles from its larger predecessors and packs them into a dynamic 115-volt machine. With this saw, the capability and performance that has been enabling elite craftsmanship for more than 90 years is now available for more workshops than ever before. As with every product PowerMatic builds, the PM1000 pushes the limits of design, innovation, and durability. It truly is the gold standard.
The lumber yields without complaint. The smell of freshly cut wood fills the air. Sawdust warms the floor. That sound? It's the sound of progress. You asked for a better, more precise table saw. Craftsman heard the call and answered. Introducing the new line of Craftsman portable table saws. Whatever the job calls for, we've got you covered with 3 new saws that come with power, portability, and large work surfaces. The 10-inch portable job site and job site table saws will have you ready for action with fold and roll technology, telescoping extensions, and sawdust management. When you want cutting-edge portable bench saws that leave the competition in the dust, look no further than Craftsman. Create your vision with precision. Craftsman, made to make.